Good afternoon, Robert Scribbler with the OBX Wave Report, providing this video for you guys from the south side of Jeanette's Pier as surfers compete in the USA surfing competition here at Nag's Head. You can see the stands right here as surfers get ready for their feats. And we have, feats, I said feats, get ready for their heats, and right now we have a heat out in the water on the sandbar on the south side of the pier, where the waves have been tending to line up pretty well over the past couple of days. Up and down the other banks right now, we got 1 to 3 foot waves, and I'll call this mostly fair conditions, semi-deep here at Nag's Head with some strong, well, let's call this brisk westerly winds in the range of 10 to 15 miles per hour with some higher gusts, and similar conditions up and down the outer banks. All right, so let's look at the data and the National Weather Service buoy data, the wave monitors, and observations by yours truly, as well as data from the Wave Watch 3 model. Right now at Nag's Head, we've got 1 to 2 foot waves and clean conditions. East northeast swell coming in at 4 foot and 10 seconds. Pretty long period swell occasionally, providing a decent wave as you've seen here in this video. West winds at 10 to 15, air temperatures 81 degrees Fahrenheit, ocean water temperatures 66, a little bit cooler than yesterday with those stronger westerly winds. High tide this morning was at 9 to 10 a.m. Low tide this afternoon between 3 and 4 p.m. For Rodanthe, 1 to 2 foot plus and clean, with a south swell coming in at 2.6 foot and 6 seconds. Might be getting a little bit choppy with those west-southwest winds blowing at 10 to 15 miles per hour. We've got 79 degree temperatures in Rodanthe and 68 degree ocean water temperatures as well. In Buxton, 1 to 2 foot and clean, with a southerly swell at 2.6 foot and 6 seconds. Westerly winds 10 to 17 miles per hour, a little bit brisker there in Buxton. And air temperatures in Buxton 78 degrees Fahrenheit, ocean water temperatures 67. Last of all at Frisco, 3 foot plus and choppy, with a water temperature at 68. For today, 1 to 3 foot and air to clean, westerly winds 8 to 17 miles per hour. Likely a shower or thunderstorm by evening, possibly severe high around 90 degrees Fahrenheit. For Saturday, for tomorrow, looking pretty gnarly as some north-northeast winds begin to blow at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Waves bumping up to 3 to 5 foot and choppy, with colder temperatures with those north winds and highs in the middle 60s, clouds and sun. For Sunday, 2 to 4 foot and mostly clean, with west-northwesterly winds 10 to 20 miles per hour, clouds and sun, highs in the middle 70s. And on Monday, 2 to 3 foot and clean to choppy, with light northeasterly winds at 2 to 5 miles per hour early, shifting to the south and east later in the day. Clouds and sun, highs near 70. And on Tuesday, 2 to 3 foot and choppy, with south winds blowing in the range of 10 to 22 miles per hour. Clouds and rain developing later, highs in the upper 70s. All right, so thank you for joining me for this session of the OBX Wave Report as we watch some surfers ride some waves here at Jeanette's Pier for the USA surfing competition here today on the south side. And once again, we'd like to ask you guys to please do everything you can to help protect our coastlines from the impacts of climate change driven by fossil fuel burning. Those impacts being rising sea levels, more intense storms, ocean heat waves, and ocean acidification. The primary solution to the climate crisis being the mass deployment of clean energy. Mass deployable forms of clean energy at this time are wind, water, solar, batteries, and electric vehicles. And also also, once again, I'd like to let you guys know that we've got the full surf coach team over at Real Water Sports right now, led by the legendary Jeff Harbor, an extraordinary surf coach, best surf school on the U.S. East Coast. So if you guys are looking to up your game, to shred it up like these young surfers are here, or even to just get your feet wet, get into surfing, and get ready for surfing for this summer, please stop by Real and book a lesson. We're all ready to have you, and this is the perfect time to learn in the Outer Banks. The waves are gentle and not crazy bumping. We're not in hurricane season. We're not in the winter time when we get this crazy nor'easter storm. This time of year, from May through June, July, and early August, waves tend to be more moderate here in the Outer Banks, so excellent time to learn to surf. Stop by Real and check it out if you guys are in need of some coaching. Might have the honor of teaching you myself. In any case, thank you for joining me once again for this session of the OBX Wave Report. We get out into the water, hope you catch some good ones, and I will be back with you shortly on this beautiful Friday, back on Saturday.